Welcome to this LED Matrix showcase. Watch as dynamic patterns come to life, setting the stage for a project where creativity meets technology. Over the next few seconds, enjoy a dynamic montage of vibrant patterns dancing across Matrix. Let these shifting patterns ignite your creativity as we take you on a journey through the fusion of design and engineering. Add the patterns on the go without touching the code. In this project, we use CJMCU 8x8 WS2812 matrix board. This board works on the 5-volt and has data in pin on one side, while on the other side it has data out pin. On full brightness, this board draws significant amount of current, so it is always recommended to use external power supply. The module is popular for projects ranging from dynamic pattern displays and clocks to interactive art installations, thanks to its ease of use and vibrant color capabilities. Daisy-chain multiple matrix boards by connecting data out pin to data and pins together. For this project, we are using Wemos D1 Mini microcontroller to drive LED matrix through jumper wires. This is really simple project as we only need to connect 3 components together. So let's see how to proceed further. In this project, we need only one matrix board. If you want to see project on combining multiple boards and make something even more interesting, do let us know. Check the data in pin on the board. Take the jumper wire and connect yellow pin to it, and ground to ground and red color to 5-volt pin. It is always recommended to follow color codes to prevent reverse voltage supply. Now on the other end of the jumper wire, connect red pin of the wire to 5-volt pin of the D1 Mini board, brown pin of the cable to ground pin of the D1 Mini board, and yellow pin of the wire to D5 pin of the D1 Mini board. We are directly supplying power to LED matrix board for demo purpose only. We recommend you to use external power supply to matrix board, as they are power hungry and it might fry your microcontroller and damage LED. Now let's see the code. Arduino IDE is loaded. Now let's see the code. For this project, we need to install Adafruit NoPixel library, ESP8266 Wi-Fi library, and ESP8266 web server library. Here we have defined pin D5 to connect the data pin of the matrix board. On the matrix board, we have total 64 LEDs in 8x8 configuration. Here we have details of Wi-Fi credentials for AP mode. Change it according to your liking. Here we have the details of default brightness value and interval value in milliseconds. Now in this section, we have code to generate HTML web page using Wi-Fi AP mode, where you can add new patterns without uploading code again and again. Now setup function starts from here. In the setup function, we will display fixed IP address to access the web page. And after that we have codes for server routes, like HTTP GET and POST request. Here are the code for parsing the hex color and hex pattern value and update them to the server. While in the loop section, we have function to parsing the hex array and generate patterns list to display on the HTML page along with the function to display patterns on the matrix board. And with this, we are ready to upload the code to the D1 Mini board. Select the board from the board manager and select the COM port on which your board is connected. Now hit the upload button and wait for the code to be uploaded to the board. Once the upload process completes, open Serial Monitor and you will see IP address to access the web page. The web page will look like this. Here you can enter hex value of any pattern along with LED on and LED off color values. Select the brightness level from the slider and hit Add Pattern button to save the pattern. Your pattern will be saved and you will see all saved patterns at the bottom. You can add multiple patterns by repeating the process. This feature gives freedom to add patterns wirelessly without uploading the code to the board. Add patterns and colors to your liking and save them instantly. And if you want to know how to generate patterns without any coding knowledge, take the help of some online websites. Here on this site you can generate pattern. Select predefined patterns and fonts from the sprite section and get the code easily. You can also use this website to generate the hex values. Select the width and height from the drop-down menu and start creating your own pattern. Once you are satisfied, hit the Generate button to get the hex code value. Now, let's see the full magic in action. Notice how the iconic DHK Dude channel name is dynamically displayed, rendered in striking fonts that truly stand out against the vibrant backdrop. As the patterns change every 2 seconds, that reveals every angle of this mesmerizing performance. This is where technology meets art. Dynamic, interactive, and completely customizable. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more innovative projects and creative adventures. I am DHK Dude, signing off.